Taking me back to myself.
Keep going.
I love you with a love I didn't know that I was capable of until I came into my life. You are the greatest gift God has given me. The one who took my brokenness and replaced it with hope, joy, and love. You have been my light when I was surrounded by shadows, my peace when my soul was restless, and my strength when I felt weak. You loved me so deeply, so selflessly, that I learned how to love myself through examples. You showed me that true love is not only about passion, but about patience. That true love is not only about laughter, but about healing. That true love is not about perfect moments, but about staying through the storms and never letting go. Baby. Ndibuka igihe nahuraga nawe ukemera kwinjira mu buzima bwanjye, nari narabaswe na depression, nari naribagiwe guseka. Icyo gihe wamfashe ikiganza uranzira, wamfashe ikiganza uranzira, urambwira ngo kuba uriho biracyashoboka kandi ubuzima buzaba bwiza. None bwabaye bwiza cyane kandi nezerewe ku buzima bwanjye ndi kubamo nawe burimo. Waramunze bituma nongera kwiga kwikunda, wambereye inkuru nzabara iteka ryose bitazashira. You have been my companion, my confidant, my dearest friend. In the past 2 years and a half, you have been my home, my heart, and proof that love can rebuild even the most broken soul. Whoa. You believed in me when I doubted myself. Today I promise you this. I vow to love you with the same devotion you gave me when I couldn't give it to myself. I vow to stand with you in every dream, to fight beside you in every challenge, and to celebrate with you in every victory. I vow to always remind you of your worth, your beauty, and the light you bring to this world, especially on days you forgot. I vow to be faithful in love, loyal in my heart, and constant in my commitment. I vow to grow with you, build with you, and to create life with you that reflects the love that has called us. Sharon, you are my greatest blessing, my answered prayers, my forever. From this day forward, I choose you, and I'll keep choosing you again and again. With no doubt, no hesitation, and with a love that only deepens as the years go by. This is my vow, my promise, and my gift to you for the rest of my life. wemereye imbere y'Imana n'abantu bose ko nzagukunda, nzagukomeza, nzakuba hafi ubundi iteka ryose. Uri umutima wanjye, uri urukundo rwanjye, uri ubugingo bwanjye.
Kabisa, ila abantu times baje publish. This is very good. JK, but serious. So now give an opportunity, Sharon, to share your heart. Yeah, share your heart. 6 minutes? Okay, get this seat. But by the way, take your time. Take your time and say your vows to each other. And you can keep it to us.
All my life and my best friends. I've known you for 5 years, dated you for 2, been engaged with you for around 6 months. I've never met somebody more intentional than you are. You are a great man, an amazing lover, and I'm so grateful that God chose you for me. Today we begin the most beautiful journey, not just as a couple or 2 people in love, but as one under God's covenant. I am so ready to walk hand in hand with you through every season with confidence that God will always be at the center. Every day with you has been a reminder of just how much God loves me. Your love is further proof that I'm truly the apple of God's eye. Thank you for loving me with everything you are. I see Jesus in the way you talk to me. Forgive me in the way you care about me and in the way you lead me. You've shown me that real love doesn't just feel good, because your love heals, protects, is peaceful, genuine, gentle, patient, kind, soft, steady, like a calm river, and it's a lot. Today I vow to love you with the love God has shown me, that is patient, kind, forgiving, and never failing. I vow to walk with you in every season of life. I vow to honor you and respect you. I vow to pray with you, pray for you, and to keep God at the center of our marriage. I vow to be your safe place, your biggest cheerleader, and your greatest encourager. I vow to never stand against God's will for your life. I promise to be faithful to you with my words, my heart, my actions, and for as long as I will live. And above all, I promise to find reasons to love and choose you every single day of my life. With all my love and with all that I am, with all that I am and all that I'll ever be, I give myself to you, today and forever. I love you more than words could ever capture, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you.